So this is how you can remove Instagram followers from your account. Let's open up Instagram, and as you can see, I'm already in my profile. If you don't know how to get here, go to the bottom right. You should see your profile and then tap on that. Now, tap on followers, and here we can remove accounts that we don't want following us. So as you can see, right next to their name is an X. So for example, if I want to remove this vampire, tap on X and tap on remove. As you can see, it's going to be removed from my account, and now I am down to 29 followers instead of 30. You could keep doing this, and eventually you will have zero, if that's what you were aiming for. But if you just wanted to remove one follower, you could do that by simply tapping on X, and yeah, that's about it. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.